Come get ready with me to welcome Ganesh Ji into our homes and hearts. Hi, I'm Priyanka and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. And today I'm going to show you a makeup look that's going to last you through all the modaks, dancing and pandals you're going to visit this Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, let's start strong with skincare. It is your foundation and it can make or break any makeup look. I'm going to start with my simple cleanser for a squeaky clean base. I love using the simple cream cleanser because it's creamy, non-drying and super refreshing. Next, I follow up with moisturizer. I'm using the Simple Protecting Light Moisturizer. I love that it's hydrating, packed with ceramides and even has SPF 15 built in. And of course, sunscreen. I always use the two-finger technique. I'm using the Simple Hydrating UV Fluid. It's super lightweight, is packed with SPF 50 and PA+++, and also has blue light protection. So I am completely protected from day to night. Now we move on to the fun part, the makeup. I'm going to begin with a primer to blur out my pores and create a smooth base. Next, I like to go in with my Higher Matte foundation and concealer. What I like to do is I take just a bit on the back of my hand and apply it from here because it helps and blends like such a dream. Then I take my concealer and dab it on the inner corners of my eye to brighten them and over any spots or blemishes that I would like to cover up for a seamless finish. And then you blend it all out. And then of course, I set everything with my Lakme Higher Matte Compact, and in fact, I even put this in my bag for easy touch-ups on the go. Now that the base is ready, let's add some color. I personally do my eyes last, so I'm going ahead with my blush first. So I want to go for a very natural eye woke up like this flush. So I'm going to use this pretty pink tint on my cheeks, on the temples, on the tip of my nose, and even a little bit on my chin. So for my eyes, I'm doing a soft glam look to match my outfit. I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow and blend it from the outer corner towards the center for a soft gradient. Blend out anything harsh with my fingers. Then I'm going to take a little bit of glitter and put it in my inner corners and blend it out softly for that subtle diffused glow. For liner, I'm going to use the L18 Kajal in brown and apply it towards the outer side for a soft diffused wing. And finally, it's time for mascara for fluttery lashes that bring the drama. And finally, I'm going to finish off my look with the Lakme Higher Matte lipstick. And we're done! This is a festive look that's going to last you from your first aarti to your very last dance while you enjoy all the mithai, music and gupshup with your loved ones. So tell me, what are you most excited about this festive season? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you next time. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and follow Be Beautiful for more such videos.